In heat 4, swimming in lane 1 for Purdue, Ava Lozano. In lane 2 for Yale, Carolyn McCurdy. In lane 3 for Kentucky, Charlotte Drees. In lane 4, Sonia Arsvold of Cincinnati. In lane 5 for Penn State, Julia Schaefer. In lane 6 for Yale, Lisa McCree-Finger. In lane 7, Sierra Robinson of Penn State. In lane 8, Ava Lachey of UCLA. In lane 9 for Cincinnati, it's Kate Martis. And in lane 10 for Cincinnati, it's Joanne